Have you ever seen a recipe in a cookbook for pizza? Probably not. The reason for that is pizza, like sangria, is all about adding the ingredients you like. So this Sunday, live on Instagram at 11 a.m. Central Time, Chef Matt McMillan and I are going to come to you talking about great things to have with brunch. Matt McMillan, of course, is going to talk about food, and I'm going to talk about great brunch sangria. My favorite sangrias involve lots of really beautiful fresh fruit, and these are the basics to your sangria. You start with a base of wine. You can do Cooper's Hawk red or white, are really great options. If you want pink sangria, try rosé. You could even try a fruit wine. A rhubarb is actually a really great option for some fruit wine-based sangria. You can also do a sparkling sangria using sparkling wine. See what I mean? There's really no rules. The second ingredient is your fresh fruit. If you're working with a red wine, I suggest using more dark berries, darker fruit flavors. Throw in some citrus. White wine, think about the flavors that you want to go for. Is this going to be a melon-based sangria, a fresh berry one with tropical fruits? The whole world is your oyster when it comes to making your sangria. From there, think about other ingredients. You might want to consider fresh herbs, things like lemon verbena or fresh peppermint. And then consider other ways to sweeten or flavor your sangria. You don't have to do any of these things, but you can certainly add liqueurs, things like St. Germaine, which will make it more floral, or Curacao, which will make it more orange flavored. So these are other ingredients that will both sweeten, flavor, and make your sangria more alcoholic, if you want that. You can also add a little bit of simple syrup if you want a sweeter style sangria. And then from there, consider topping off your sangria finally with something bubbly. Again, you don't have to do it, but things like tonic I think are great in sangria. They add a really nice herbal, bitter, aromatic profile to it. You can also use things like Liqueur is fantastic in sangria, ginger beer, club soda, 7-Up, all of it works. Again, absolutely no rules. This is your sangria. This Sunday, I'm going to put together a really fun sangria involving some rosé wine and watermelon and I think some strawberries and basil. We'll see. So you think about your sangria, I'll think about mine, and I'll see you this Sunday at 11 a.m. Central Time on Instagram Live. Cheers!